Just so we could.
Yeah. Oh, it's not a school bus, it's a truck.
No.
Hey. Huh?
Just starting here.
Where?
I think something like that. We have a picture with my grandfather and something like that. I don't know if this is actually completely accurate. Looking at this.
Well, I've never seen this.
Well, this is in a different area. This is like, the layout's kind of different, right?
I think they just put it in one place.
Yeah. My friends should be really good too. Yeah, you're going to be going camping for your first time. I can't wait to see you be attacked on.
No, camping for the first time in Canada, not in my life.
Like a Canadian, like a real camper.
Excuse me. So what I've done is not a real camping.
This is a Korean camper.
Look at this. Looks real, eh?
It is. It's a moon. The
Oh, they stop at the station.
It's the Via train. Yeah.
They stop at the station too.
Yeah, that's the one I took back.
It's getting brighter.
Down there.
Oh, souvenir.
Souvenir.
Super cool. They're going to Toronto. Bye bye. Come out?
There was one that comes around here.
Oh really?
NW.
I'm excited.
I'm glad you are. You're eggy.
Oh, there's a car lights on. Your battery's gonna go out. You should turn off the car. Go train. It's pretty.
Was that? They're doing a winemaking?
Oh, yeah, this is probably a winery, eh? Vineyards, yeah. It's a vineyard.
We went there with Charlie and Carlos, right?
Ah, no. Near Sandbanks, not near Niagara.
Oh, you see that? Now there's the NW truck. There you go.
BMW?
Watch the key.
Where?
Yeah, it's gonna come around that corner there.
Anticipation. Oh, that's a good turn. BMW. I thought you were saying BMW. I was like,
No.
I don't care if it's a BMW or not. Yeah, it's a video.
That's a video, it's not an image.
We're at the Niagara.
Sort of. And the streetcar. Watch out for the streetcar, guys.
Oh no! They should really watch out for the streetcar.
Boy, this.
Really well made.
Yeah, that building's funny. You ever been to?
In the square? Doesn't look like it. Oh, it is. It is actually. They're not having a roof festival today.
No roof festival today.
In a Tim Horton. What are those? Are those garbage?
I just think it's so fun.
So we're probably here.
I don't know.
Because it's a CN Tower. Probably fine.
No.
Dundas Square entrance Starbucks. It's so cool. Oh, it's a Cineplex, eh? Nice. Oh, I wonder if the subway running. No.
No, it's never running. That's a very.
Get out the shuttle, guys. You're never gonna catch the subway. Oh, people are social distancing. Must be during COVID time, eh? watch it, and you can see the inside too.
Cool.
It's very cool. And I don't know when it's gonna turn on. Okay.
I know you.
You gotta be patient.
I am patient.
You gotta be very patient.
I'm very patient.
There's a GO train too.
It's not a GO train. Oh, there is one over there. Okay, there's a GO train and there's a freight train. Sorry.
Yeah.
Well, that freight train is huge actually.
Usually they're really long, eh?
Yeah, not. Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I wonder if they have detailed out inside. It's super cool. Oh my god. I'm so happy, Michael. What?
It moves you.
Oh my god, I didn't know that. Whoa, water detail. They have a display too.
Oh, look,
my
the guy is
God.
running.
Where? Is he actually? Ah, my god.
Oh, look.
Oh, they're building a subway underground? Oh my goodness. That's so much detail.
You look inside?
Huh?
I can't see.
Floor and bathrooms.
Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah. Well, it's not there anyway.
Yeah. Big condo building now.
Whoa.
Is it the Mississauga, the weird shaped building that we saw?
Oh, is this or what it is there?
He's tailing the red car.
This is a bike driving kind of boat.
Yeah. We took a picture in front of that
Yes.
boat by the lake.
Yeah, which one?
That one.
Yeah, put it on the screen.
Oh yeah, this one.
Because you were just showing a tug at that car.
Oh, it's Hamilton. Do you think they have that museum that we went to?
I don't know. That's the museum we went to. They have it moving even inside. You don't remember? We walked inside there.
No, but it wasn't moving though.
Not that fast. They made it well up faster. I think maybe it's a full speed, right? There is Thomas the Tank Man. So, but apparently the initial colors were blue and white.
Oh, blue and white.
See it over there? There's the initial colors.
Oh.
And then they changed the colors. I don't know.
It's a, what do you call that? Bridge.
It's a bridge. What do you call it?
What do you call that?
What do you call it? A bridge? A tractor anyway.
That's so cool. That must
Look,
be
it's
on.
gonna go on an on-ramp. Look, the on-ramp. It's gonna go.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
That's super cool. I'm excited. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's going.
They all merged.
Yeah.
Wow. The other one's coming up. It's gonna
It's
go.
a U-Haul.
How?
Is there more cars coming up?
No.
Where are they gonna go? Oh, they're waiting.
It's got a left turn.
That's so cool. Oh, they're going straight.
You know, like just the end how they're done.
Huh?
Look for the en-route.
It's over there. Over there. Yeah.
It's gonna go across the come to end. Like,
Oh, that's the one that turned left earlier, eh?
is it? Going down? But it's funny, they come here, they turn off, and they put them in the bin.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. Oh, now that one's going out again.
Yeah. That guy's,
It's spinning.
yeah, it's spinning coming down. And this guy is going up.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness, it's gonna stop. Oh. It's stopped.
Your eyes. Oh, look at the fish.
Oh, they need water. Oh no.
They're kind of light too, actually.
Is it?
Huh?
Is it?
Yeah, not heavy. I think if we had to move through, it wouldn't be that bad to move. Oh, it's a video. It's actually a nice size for eating.
It is.
Because these ones are chunker, right? This wouldn't be bad.
It's a compact size and it's very light comparing like how heavy the book it is. And it's waterproof.
Yeah,
This
so
is
now
kinda
you can
cool, eh?
now you can read your books in the pool.
Ah.
Things I don't need for. Yeah, you know what? I just waterproofed all my books. Right? Which one do you want? Just give me one, did you?
Yeah.
So did you?
Yeah, real close.
Also, we did that one for you. But this is a digi also, and I know you like digi.